It's official. America's fastest woman will miss out on the Olympics this summer. Sha'Carri Richardson got suspended last week after testing positive for marijuana. And now Team USA announced the track star did not make the final roster, saying it's an issue of fairness. Ooh, I hate fairness. For athletes who already earned a spot. I kind of understand the argument, Dana, but you're from a public relations perspective.
Oh.
Yes. This could have been a great moment for Republicans and Democrats to have come together and defended her, but they all wimped out across the board, unless I missed some
Or even
people.
like the U.S. Track and Field Association, which finally made the ultimate decision, basically to even block her from being able to run in the relay, because they could have. There was it's a 30-day thing. The relay isn't run until 32 days later, so they actually could have done it and been smart and let this young person do that. She said, I'm human, true, but she's super fast human. And also, so she knew the rules, I get it. But think how in shape she is. She can, I don't know how much marijuana she smoked, I have no idea.
Yeah, right.
But she can still run faster than everybody.
Yeah.
That's pretty impressive.
I know. What do you want right now?
Not enough.
Jesse, let's play a game, alternative universe. Trump was reelected. He would have gone to bat for her.
So she hit a blunt.
Good.
One blunt. She's fast. It wasn't crack. Put her on the track. I pardon her. Pardon.
Perfect. That's exactly what would happen.
I want to see her run.
Yes.
America wants to see her run.
Exactly. That's all he was saying.
America first.
America first.
Yes.
Geraldo, thoughts?
I started smoking pot in 1963.
Do you have a picture?
I
We
played
probably
sports.
do. Call for it.
Played sport. Here I am smoking.
Here's my dealer.
I actually got. Wait, anyway. No. It never made me run faster.
No.
That's
Just
all.
from the cops.
Actually, I used to be on the board of the National Organization for the Reform of Marijuana Laws. That was 1972. We thought it would be legal by 73, 74, 75. And look, it's just taken
Here
so
we are.
long. And this is just another tragic story, another victim of reefer madness.
What do you think, Kate?
I think that as long as men are allowed to compete in the Olympics as women,
Yes.
that
good
women
point.
should be allowed to dope.
Exactly.
Nice.
Good point.
No, it's true. It's true. It's true.
That's a great point.
They're taking drugs to
I'm sorry.
Enhance their performance.
Exactly.
All women should be allowed to dope.
We should
Throw
have
all the rules out.
We
All of
should
them
have
be
like a
able to.
separate race.
Yes.
Like not a separate race.
Yeah.
But like we could host a competition.
Yes.
Oh, I was
And let
wondering
her
where you were
run-
going.
No, not
Everybody,
a race.
everybody gets high. It's a high race.
Yes. And
Yes.
see how
That'd
fast
be a very
everybody
slow
can run. Oh my gosh, I want to
Hey,
sponsor
dude,
this.
That
is the
is
100 meters.
The 11th year of the 5. It was a good run.
What time was
It was a good year. Our first thing was to get high and
Could you
go
pass
for a
the
jog.
chocolate?